Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 13th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, a company that I'm looking at, you all know pretty well, is called Hess Corp. This is an energy play. You probably have seen one of its gas stations or many of the Hess products out there. But either way you've looked at this stock peaked out all the way back here in December of 2016 at above $64. Today it's trading at around $52 a share. Briefly, it did trade as low as $50.43 on February 8th, but I believe this has one more down leg to go, and let's find a good level, because what I'm seeing here is where the institutions are going to come in and support this stock, and that's when we are going to want to own it. So let's take a look here at Hess, and if you roll over to a bigger time frame, first thing you're going to see is that the stock had a pretty good decline right around here, and this is where the institutions came in and supported this name. You'll notice a wide range bar in February, late September. Then you'll notice a bearish inside bar pattern, and then a breakout play. That tells me that right in here is where the institutions will come in to save the stock one more time. In fact, if you go all the way back to September of 2015, what you'll notice is a low pivot right around $47.84. That tells me right off the bat, this is where the institutions want to support this name. Now, why do they do that? Well, a lot of times, a lot of institutions will have customers or investors that have bought the stock, and this is where they know they need to step back into the marketplace. So anywhere between these two levels here, I'm going to say $47.75 all the way down to $46.75. That is your spot to get involved in Hess. Now, where could it go and where would our stop out be? Very, very easy to tell where it would go. First off the bat, all you're going to do is go back to your daily chart, and you're just going to look at where the resistance points are. So you know right off the bat we had a big breakdown at 54. So that would be one level I would look for. And then you'd look at the moving averages for potential targets. But a better question is, where is the stop out, just in case we're wrong? And this is pretty easy to do as well. All you're going to do is look at the last major pivot low. That would be right here, going back to September 19th, the week of September 19th, 2016. That low right there is $45.37. Any close on a weekly chart basis below that pivot low, you move out of the stock. So this presents a very, very good risk reward. Watch the name when it gets down to around the 47.75 to 46.50, 46.75 level. That's where you want to jump in and get involved on the long side of this play. And again, you put your stop right below that low. Pretty easy trade, pretty low risk reward, and there's some pretty good money to be made. So again, watch that, and again, it gets down to that level. That's where I will be jumping on board Hess Corp. So keep that on the radar. And once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take the 7-day free trial to our research center. That's where you'll get all of our chart setups. You'll get all of our cycle work. You'll get all of our content. You'll also receive our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything market related. We do that on Thursday and Sunday evenings. So again, that's all part of the research center, and we'll be watching Hess as it gets down to our level for a trade. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.